Hey guys, how are you? I'm Maciek and welcome to Goliath Offroad. Let's go, let me show you around. So, this is our office. This is gonna be a waiting room. This is where you're gonna come, sit while we work on your car or you pick up parts. So right here we have all of our merch. So you can actually buy and pick up stuff here. We have everything in stock, some of our parts right here and stuff we sell. Like right here you have, for example, patches and some of the brackets for jacks that we make and stuff like that. Because we install our stuff here, so you can actually wait and get your parts installed. Let's walk to the main area where everything happens. So this is one of our two main areas. This will be a packing and shipping receiving area, and then a bunch of storage, as you can see. So on the walls we have all of our stuff that we keep in stock. So some of the bumpers, we don't keep everything in stock, but some of the bumpers that sell the most are here. So these are basically ready to ship. If you order them, we can just pack them on a pallet and they're ready to go. We have, as you can see, we have some stuff that's just like one-off parts or stuff that's waiting for a pickup for a customer. Some of like the skid plates and steering components, rock sliders, stuff like that. Right here we have, for example, our bull bars. So these are all the same bull bars. They go, if you buy a bumper and opt for a bull bar, this is how we pick up the bull bar and just weld it on. Obviously we have to cut it in shape and stuff like that, but this is like a bulk part. And then right here, for example, we have our steering components. So these are actually machined rods. So this is all a machined part. So this will be a steering for your Jeep. So any Cherokee, Grand Cherokee, Wrangler. Here, for example, we have skid plates for any GX or 4Runner. These are all cut and bent, but they're not ready to ship yet. We have to weld a bunch of brackets to them and gussets. Here's our prototype, for example. These are rock slider for Ineos Grenadier. These are not done parts and they're not in the production, but these are the prototypes that we have here. And then other than that, we have our vehicles here. So these are the vehicles that we park here when we need to test fit some little parts. So for example, any brackets or like small parts that we just have on hand. These are the vehicles that we test fit on. So you can see this is our new rear bumper. This bumper is already released, but it's all getting some new stuff done to it, and we test fit a bunch of different accessories for those MOLLE panels, so the car stays here. And then any kind of like accessory mounts and stuff, this is where the test fitting happens. So like we have a new project Land Cruiser right here. This will all get new stuff, but we start from the little parts like MOLLE panels and other brackets. So this is where the car first comes, and then it goes to our another area for bigger stuff. But this is for now right here. And as you can see, there's just a bunch of parts in stock. So like I said, most of the bumpers that sell the most we keep in stock. But yeah. And then right here behind you, this is all little parts in stock. So any kind of brackets or accessories and stuff like that, this is all where we keep them in stock here. And then obviously the bins with any kind of hardware and joints, nuts, bolts, every little piece that goes into building a bumper or any kind of accessory that we sell is all here. Yeah, this is where we keep our zinc coated parts, for example. And then right here, this is our main packing area for the stuff that doesn't go on a pallet. So this is our table, and then we have, for example, like all the packing materials here. So it's really nice and small. It doesn't have to be pretty big. There's also the hardware that's mostly used. So these are all the M8, M10 bolts that we use the most. Obviously boxes, plenty of boxes right here. These are all the stuff that we ship with. And then a bunch of our aluminum parts right here. So these are stored separately because we store them on those blankets so they don't get scratched, and they're all in one place. These are basically your engine bay mounts for accessories, switch panels and stuff, Land Cruiser 400 GX, and then we have a bunch of different MOLLE panels and roof rack fronts and stuff like that. And we have a bunch of different options for the roof racks. So these are both aluminum and steel, and they're both non-light bar version and light bar version, like this one right here, for example. So this will allow you to mount a light bar or a bunch of different like separate lights. And then obviously there's more roof rack parts. So these are the extrusions. We kind of run low right now, but normally there's a bunch of them here. And then, as you can see, one bumper is ready to ship on a pallet with the winch. Let's go to a welding area, and where basically all the fabrication happens. So this is our fabrication area. It's pretty small, but the shop is pretty small. It's only 6,000 feet, and 2 people work here. So basically these are all the parts laid out. These are our welding tables, but we have our jack mounts, and then obviously a bunch of different parts for the bumpers, roof racks, and everything that we make here. It all first gets cut on the laser over here, and then once it's cut, it's bent on a press brake and then welded together. Yeah, so this is our little press brake, but it's enough for our needs. We're probably gonna upgrade to a bigger one soon, but it does really good job. And after that, all the parts that we cut and bend goes on the table, and then basically you make a bumper out of all the parts, or any other accessory really that needs to be welded. And we have one welder, so everything here is done by one person. So yeah, and actually I would like to mention that the whole shop is only run by 3 people, so it's a lot of work to run the 6,000 square feet shop with 3 people. Oh yeah, this is our laser over here. So this is pretty new to us. We used to order stuff from laser, but now we have our own. So this actually greatly improved our efficiency and the way we build parts, because now we can just cut stuff on the laser that we have on the computer, and it'll be done in 5 minutes really. So this is a huge piece of equipment for us in the shop, and it cuts aluminum and steel. So now we can work with different materials, which is really nice. And yeah, it's pretty busy here. Obviously not right now because I'm behind the camera and it's morning, but yeah, normally it's pretty busy here. And as you can see, there is our wall over here. So this is our new project right now, just to finish the wall, so to separate these 2 areas. As you can see, it's not finished yet, but we're almost done with that. It's mostly to separate these 2 areas and limit the dust and overall noise that comes from here, because there's a bunch of noise right there. But yeah, I have one more area to show you guys, so let's walk through it. Yeah, this area is gonna be where the cars come, where we have big parts to test fit, or like stuff on the underside, like skid plates and stuff like that. So this is a like an installation area, I would say, slash man cave, slash hobby room, slash repair area. So the most important stuff is the lift. So we can actually access the underside of the vehicle and test with skid plates, mount rock sliders, and any kind of accessories or mounts that go on the underside. And then we have all the tools here. Obviously, stocked fridge with the essentials. Yeah, we have storage, more storage. Right now we are working on those racks right here. So this will be actually our working area. So all of these will be for something else. This will eventually be a place where we assemble the accessories and parts, like, for example, jack mounts or propane tank mounts and stuff like that. Something that needs to be either bolted up or riveted. And these will have lights. We are just in process of making like all the improvements, and this is our hobby section where we just stay after work and do some RC stuff. And this will be also our storage area, because we kind of ran out of the place over there. So this will all be storage for the parts in stock for you guys. Yeah, and this is our new project. I mean, it's really kind of old, but we're almost done with it. This is our Ram 2500 with a lot of extensive modifications. So this was converted to a coil spring from leaf springs and 3-link. It's currently sitting on 38-inch tires, and the section of the frame in the rear was cut out to make space for the coil springs. And right now we are working on the front suspension to finish the lift. And the outside is nearly done. We only have, I think, the front bumper to make. The rear was almost done. It just needs to be welded up. So hopefully this will be ready by the summer and you guys can see it in action. All right, I think that will be it for the shop tour.